guys, welcome back to our channel. Myself Mitanshi. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the best 5 courses to crack AWS Certified Devops Engineer Professional Exam in this year. So let's begin with our topic. So firstly, I would ask you, do you want to become a DevOps engineer for cloud platforms like your AWS but don't have a target? Then you have come to the right place. Today, I'm going to talk about AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional Exams and share you some of the best online courses to prepare well for this prestigious exam. The AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional Certification is certified offered by Amazon Web Services. This exam is only open to the peoples who are already equipped in AWS Developer called Associate or AWS Certified System Ops Administrations. Before you can become certified as a DevOps Engineer Professional, you need not to take an exam that tests your ability to define and deploy your metrics. But before deep diving into it, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get updates regarding the upcoming videos. So watch the video till the end and let's find out that which course is better for you all guys. So let's begin with our first course. That is AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional 2022. This is a course that is offered by Udemy's platform. Although this is not a crash course, it offers you 20 hours of straight hands-on lesson that allows user to pass AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional Exam within the short time. After completing this course, you will gain a completion certificate so that you can add in your CV or your resume. The second on the list is AWS Certified DevOps Engineer. This course is taught by Mike Peffier and it helps operations engineers and your developers to prepare for the AWS Certified DevOps Engineer exams by providing expertise in managing, provisioning, and operating distributed applications in an AWS environment. So if you have any queries related to any online courses, then guys tell me in the comment box. I would love to acknowledge your queries. The third on the list is AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional. This course has a rating of 4.5 with almost 3,000 students enrolled. The only con is that it is only taught in English, so you must have to know about the English language. Unlike most of its counterparts, this course dives a bit deeper into the DevOps and what is required to understand. It is just a basic understanding of Amazon Web Services. The fourth on the list is AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional. This is the another exam that targets students that study better in groups. If you are not one for long lectures and trick and tiring concepts, this might be for you. The last but not the least is this is the another AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional Practice Exam. This is the another practice test that is sold as a course on Udemy and it's from Tutorials Dojo, which is famous for its quality AWS practice test. The link to join this course will be provided you in the description box, so get hands on this if you feel interested in it. So that's all for the today's video. Let me know in the comment box which course you find the most interesting. Hope you liked the video. If yes, so give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So thanks for watching the video. Bye guys. See you in the next video.